This is pretty cute. So my dog is turning 3 years old and I wanted something fun for a little photo shoot with her and I thought this would be perfect. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of this Light Up number 3. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So you see it's got all these little lights on it. It is made of plastic. It's got 2 little spots on the back so you could hang it on the wall if you wanted to. And then I already put my 2 AA batteries in it. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on and light it. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness, I love it. We're gonna go put it in front of Miss Eleanor and do a little photo shoot with her for her 3rd birthday. Oh yeah, that's gonna work just perfect. We're gonna do a little setup with you and we're gonna get some cute photos with your number 3 for your 3rd birthday. What do you think about that? They're like, yeah, that's kind of neat, Mom. That's kind of neat. If you guys are looking for something fun, this could be a great display on a table. You could hang it on a wall. You could get all the different ages and switch it out each year for your kids. I don't know. I just thought it was really cute. If you guys are looking for a fun, light up birthday number, doesn't have to be birthday. I guess it could be literally anything. It could be anniversary, whatever you want it to be. We recommend this. I like it. It's sturdy. It's plastic. I like that it's not cardboard. It's going to last. And 2 AA batteries lights it right up. We recommend this.